I apologise if my hair looks a little bit messy and I'm in my pyjamas. I tend to film on my days off, so 90% of the time I'm pretty much going to be wearing lazy clothes and lazy hair. Hey everyone, this is Becky, Black Up Beauty 14. In today's video, I've created this eye look using the Makeup Revolution chocolate bar palettes. Now, if you guys have seen on my Instagram, I have been obsessed with these chocolate bar palettes. Not only these are good quality, the eyeshadows blend really nicely, and oh, it smells so good. I love Makeup Revolution in general. I think they're a great brand. All their products are super affordable, they're cruelty free. Not sponsored to say that. And I'll be creating this look today with the Naked Chocolate and the Golden Chocolate. Yes, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. I've already primed my eyes with the Essence Eye Stage Eye Primer. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, right at the top. And I'm just going to be setting that eye primer in place. I'm now going to be using the mattes from the Naked Chocolate palette. So I'm first going to be starting off with this colour right here. So I'm pretty much just going to be going up in a line. So we'll do lightest, middle, dark. And I'm going to be taking just a nice big fluffy brush. And we are just going to apply this all over the crease. So just in a nice sweepy motion, adding more if I need to add more. So we're just adding and blending, and all that jazz. I can't get over how nice this palette smells. It smells so good. Right, I'm now going to be going up to this colour right here. And I'm going to be taking this very old Revlon brush. Gosh, I don't think they even make this brush anymore. Take it right here and I'm going to be applying that just in the crease area. So taking it in the crease. I've got to go back in with that big fluffy brush I used for the first colour. And I'm just going to be blending that transition colour and that brown colour together so there's no harsh edges. So, just blending. I'm now going to be taking the darkest shade, which is the one right up in the corner. I'm going to be taking a fluffy angled brush and I'm just going to be patting this right on that edge. So bringing it in that V shape. So I'm bringing it right here and bringing it slightly along here. So I'm just going to be re-adding, and I'm also going to be going back in with my previous brushes, and I'm also going to be blending. So we're just going to be adding some of that colour. So we're going to start creating a bit more of that smoky wing as well. So it's going to be adding a bit more of that on there. Going back in with my two brushes, so I'm going to go back in, with this one, and we're just going to be blending everything together. So, but I will be re-adding more of that darker shade on the outer edge until I get the right, fluffiness that I need. Until I get the eyeshadows the way I want them to get it. I think that sounds better, don't you? So. Okay, I think I pretty much blended it how I want to blend it. I'm now going to go back in with that matte white shade and I'm just going to apply this all over the lid. So I'm not using a shimmer for the lid, I'm just going to be applying a matte white to the lid because we're going to go in with shimmery colours for the winged eyeliner anyway. So I wanted to keep it all matte. So we're just going to add all that to my finger. The matte white. Going back in with the brushes, blend everything all together. I'm going to be creating the fun part, the shimmery wing eyeliner. So to create this, I'm actually going to grab the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. And I'm going to be using that on a little eyeliner brush. I think I got this with a Maybelline gel eyeliner, but you can use any eyeliner brush or just a small angle brush really. And I'm going to start creating the shape for the wing eyeliner. So it's sort of like creating a cut crease, but you're creating a wing out of it. Instead of cutting the lid, you're cutting a wing shape to pat the shimmers on. Does that make sense? Creating a wing. I think that looks okay. I think we can get away with that. I'm now going to be using the golden bar palette, and we're going to be using majority of the shimmers from here. So I'm going to be first taking this shade right here. So we're going to do a gradient. We're going to do so where I've done the light here to dark, we're doing it the reverse. So I'm going to do light there to dark. So I'm going to be taking that colour first with this angle brush right here. I'm going to be taking this, I'm going to be stamping that or pressing that on the wing area. So making sure I'm just pressing it in and gliding. Just pressing and gently gliding it in. So I'm now going to go in with a different angled brush. I'm now going to go in with this shade. This shade right here. And I'm going to be doing that. We're doing that slightly on this bit here, bringing it up to about there. Oh, these shimmers are so pretty. I'm now going to be taking the darker shade, which is this one right here, and I'm going to be pressing that right on that inner corner bit here. So I'm going to be sweeping it right in the inner corner of my eye and halfway. So pretty much just about there. I'm pretty much now going to do exactly the same thing how I did the wing eyeliner under my lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with that angle brush. I'm going to go in with the first shade like I used and start bringing that underneath. Then that middle shade. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to go back in with that Naked Chocolate palette. I'm going to go back in with that matte shade, and I'm just going to be patting this, or taking my pinky finger actually, and just applying that underneath my eyebrow. Just to add that little bit of lift, because I want the focus to be more on the wing. Okay guys, so I'm now just going to be tight lining my waterline. I've just picked up any kohl pencil. This is the Miss Sporty 100% Pump Me Up Booster. So I'm just going to be using this, just going to be tight lining my waterline, putting some outer edge false lashes on. My mascara, I'm just going to be using my Essence Lash Princess Volumizing Mascara, which is my holy grail. I'm going to be using that, and I'll be doing that off camera, so I'll be right back. And that's it guys, these are the completed eyes. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is very different. I've never done this before, so I've never actually done this sort of cut crease wing before, so it was interesting to do. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Oh, and hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!